Okay, guys. Today I will presentation about my portfolio. So, hello, my name is Zaid Hilman, and my full name is Zaid Hilman Alfarisi Marpaung. I'm a student in SMK IDN Backpacker School, grade 11, majoring in software engineering. About me. Yes, I repeat again. My name is Zaid Tilman Alfarisi Marpaung, a web and mobile developer who masters front end and back end. So, in SMK IDN, I learned about front end and back end, both for web and mobile. Currently, I'm attending SMK IDN Backpacker School, majoring in software engineer or RPL. In web and application development, I use various technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Dart. So for front end, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, for back end, PHP, and for mobile is Dart. In addition, I also utilize frameworks such as Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS, Laravel, and Flutter to speed up and simplify the development process. So, Bootstrap from CSS for front end, Tailwind CSS from CSS for front end, and Laravel from PHP back end, and Flutter from Dart mobile. Next, in the front end field, I always need a design first so that I can do slicing neatly and accordance with the desired appearance. While in the back end, I need to understand the concept that the client wants before turning it into a functional feature. I continue to learn and develop my skills in order to create applications that are efficient, responsive, and meet the needs of users. So in front end, I always need the designer for make a design so that I can do a slicing. And for backend, yes, I will always ask many thing about the web to the client. Next, my education SMK Boarding School Sentul. I have been attending SMK Boarding School Sentul, majoring in software engineer RPL since July 15, 2023. Here I learned to create website and mobile applications, use various technologies, and work on projects to hone my skills as a developer. Next. Okay. For certificates, I got starting the programming basics to become a software developer from decoding, introduction to programming logic from decoding, learn basic data visualization from decoding, learn the basic of web programming from decoding, getting started with that from decoding, learn JavaScript programming basics from decoding, learn to create a Flutter app for beginning from decoding, learn the basics of AI from decoding, learn solid programming principles from decoding. So I got many certificates from decoding. Next, my work experience. First is trainer in SMKN 12 Jakarta. I have experience teaching at SMKN 12 Jakarta, grade 10. The material is Muslim Web and using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the second uh, trainer SMK Pentek 2 Tangerang. I have experience teaching at SMK Pentek 2 Tangerang, grade 10 and 11. For grade 11, the material is Muslim Web and using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for grade 10, the material is Card Web and using HTML and CSS. Next, the third trainer SMKN 7 Jakarta. I have experience teaching at SMKN 7 Jakarta, grade 11. The material is HTML and CSS basics and make simple portfolio. Next, personal skills is it's same like before. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Bootstrap, Tailwind, Laravel, Dart, and Flutter. Next, my project portfolio. My project portfolio first is card profile web. It's like many card about the profile of someone. Use HTML and CSS. And portfolio web, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But this is not really good portfolio because I made in 10th grade. Next, Muslim web. I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In Muslim web, you can use for looking for schedule of prayer, and you can read Quran, and then you can read Asmaul Husna. Next, to-do list with PHP. Like to-do list is like many lists for you do. I use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and PHP. Next, Razor Web. I make a company profile. It's a Razor. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, ROG Web. I use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. It's same like before Razor. It's company profile from ROG. Okay. Next, Vitra Web. I make from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Tailwind. Vitra Web, it's same like before, company profile. Next, News Web. News Web, I use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Laravel. News Web, like you have two role, one admin, one users, and admin can make news, and for user can look at the news. Next is to-do list with Laravel. It's same like to-do list with PHP, but it's used with Laravel. Next is e-commerce web. I made this web use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Laravel. This web for like there is two role, admin and users. Admin for make product in that web, and users look at the product, and then check out the product. Next, OSIS election web. I make HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Laravel. This web like for OSIS election. So there is two roles same like users and admin. Admin for make what candidate, and users for voting the candidate. Next is list view app, Dart and Flutter. List view this only like UI UX from list view. Next is COVID app. Use Dart and Flutter. It's take from API. Take from API about COVID. Like hospitals in Indonesia, stats in Indonesia about COVID, and then news about COVID and hacks from COVID. Next, food app. It's same like e-commerce before, but it's mobile. Food app is to have to role admin and users. Admin for make a product, make a food, make a list from foods, many foods, and then users can uh, looking for foods, what do they want, and then they can uh, order to uh, that admin. Okay, and next UI e-commerce app. It's like UI UX but e-commerce. Next, okay, maybe that's it from me. That's all my portfolio. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.